Corey's been working for me for a long time, and we just bought him this square body right here. It's all lowered, new exhaust, AC blows cold, original paint, one owner. But he's getting ready to come out right now. He has no idea. The guy just walked in and said, "Hey, I'm looking for Corey," and he's handing him the title. And Corey's gonna be like, "What's this?" And he's gonna say, "I don't know. I'm just a drop-off guy." So he'll be walking out here in a second. Yours, the original paint.
No.
Yeah. Little Jay was saying, "What do you want?" You're like, old, patinaed out truck, Mexican blanket, lowered.
No.
AC blows cold, buddy.
Oh yeah, Corey. Fuck yeah, dude.
No. Fire it up, dude.
Well, that was an IRS guy.
Right?
Can't take this, dude.
It's yours, dude. You earned it.
Oh yeah. No burnout. No burnout.
Hell yeah, bro! AC?
Yeah. Take it for a spin.
Supposed to be powered to tilt wheel, dude.
Wow.
See if it'll burn them off. Dude, yes, man. That's so bad. Yeah, boy. 700 R4 too, so you can get on the highway. You know what I mean? So his friends, lowered.
But listen, so then and I show him and they're like, "What the fuck?"
Well, I mean, it was just like meant to be. I said, "Does
What's up,
Farquhar?" I said,
fucking
"Does the
guy.
AC blow
This guy.
cold?" And he goes, "Yeah." And I go, "Bring it over. We'll take it." But Moose just did the exhaust. We got to bleed the brakes. Is all.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, driving home.
Dude. Welcome to the bandwagon, dog.
Yeah. Way better than a dirty tail.
Liner of boost.